What's up, you guys? It's your boy Chris here with EBT. Wait, hold up. All right, first off, you're gonna need some shoes, some fabric shoes. So right here we have some Air Max, looks like some 95s. I got these from a customer, and he already gave me a design he wants me to do with them. And I'm gonna show you guys. These aren't any normal 95s. These are, as you can see, it's got some kind of like mesh material up top, mesh material in the middle, and then some kind of like almost like plasticky leather. It's like a leather, but weird type of material in the middle and the bottom. So we're gonna get into that, and I'm gonna show you guys how to prep these surfaces real quick. So let's just do that real quick. All right, let's start with unlacing our shoes. So, you know, everyone knows how to unlace a shoe. For those non-mesh, non-fabric material areas, we need to acetone the shoe to prep the surface. So you're gonna need some acetone, some cotton rounds or cotton balls. I suggest rounds because they give off less fuzz and all that stuff. So I'm gonna take these cotton rounds and I'm just going to rib-a-dib-dib. Here we have it. The shoe doesn't look any different, but it's prepped and it's ready to go. So there's also another prepping process, which is the taping process, which I really don't like taping. A lot of you guys comment about that and you're like, wow, you really trust yourself that much? And yes, I do. First color we're gonna use is this Angelus beige. And we're just gonna take a little bit of paint on your brush, just a little bit. Don't go too much with it. Oh my God. We can fix that. Hold up. So we just had a little mishap, but I'm gonna fix that later on when I get to that part of the shoe. I'm gonna continue right here. I'm gonna be extra careful not to drop the shoe out of my hand this time, and just go about it with this beige color. All right, here's the beige laid down across this part. Ooh, almost dropped it. In this part. And yes, I did make a little whoopsie right here, but I will fix that later. It'll be fine. We got this. So the next color is it's like a turquoise kind of bluish color. And to make that color, I'm gonna mix this light blue. I know that says too thin, but I promise you that is light blue in there. Let it focus real quick. Light blue and this gift box blue from Angelus. Mix those two paints together. Stir it up, see if I can get a perfect color match real quick. And then I'm gonna get to painting this part of the shoe. Let's get it. All right, so after 3 coats, that blue came out a little bit darker than it was supposed to, but I think it looks fine. I texted the customer, showed him a picture, and he said it still looks good to him. As you see, I did both sides. I think these are coming out looking pretty sick so far. Just like these two colors together, they kind of really mesh, just like that. But next is this part, the fabric material, which I have to show you guys on how to make your paint able to, I guess, withstand the fabric and still be flexible. So let's get into that. All right, so our next color is more of like almost like a mauve, but it's more of a reddish hue to it. So I'm gonna mix this mauve right here with a little bit of this magenta and get that color right. Or I'm gonna mix a little bit of red in it, we'll see. But you're gonna need some of this right here. This is GAC 900 by Golden Products, and you can find this at any pretty much craft store. Like I got this, I can get this from Michael's, I can get it from Joann's Fabric. You can order it off angelusdirect.com. I'll have a link for that in the description. 1:1 ratio, half this, half paint. Mix it together, and in between sets, you wanna heat set it. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. I think I got my color down pat, so let's check it out real quick. It's looking like this right now. It will focus for me, there we go. Got it looking like this, those two colors mixed. So now I'm just gonna eyeball it, and I'm gonna add this GAC 900 to the paint, just like so. Just pour that in there. And it's gonna make your paint a really liquidy state. And that's perfectly fine because it's going on fabric and it's going to soak into it. So you just wanna mix it up just like that. And just like that, you got fabric paint. So that's that for these shoes. As you can see, white 95s turned into these. These came out pretty clean to me, honestly. Like the colorway is just clean, you know. You can wear it with a variety of things. Probably not as much as you could with the white, but it gives a shoe a lot more character. Like, check it out. I'm gonna add a little B-roll in there too, but check it out, just like that, just like that. Just like that. Color came out clean, looking good, spiffy. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. It's your boy Chris here with EB.TV. I'm out. Peace.